Dahil nandito tayo ngayon, Alden, I was sent here because we are about to play a game.
Are we gonna play a game, Senator?
Oh, but this game is a serious game. And
Ano po ba yung mga larong nalamin nyo ng araw?
ay po, Alden, ayoko na magkwento sa'yo. Pero siguro, kung nag-meet kita ng maaga, hindi ko magagawa yung mga mistakes.
Ano ba?
Ano?
Ano po yung mga mistakes, Senator?
Alam mo naman na nasaktan ako sa pag-ibig. And it hurts me so much. I don't like to elaborate about it anymore. The good thing is, now that I
Alden
know this
Richard is here.
I am so ready.
This is Josephine.
Okay,
Alden Richard is here.
ladies and gentlemen, meron po kami. Okay, we are about to play a game. And
Hello, this is Josephine. Alden Richard is here.
Bago yan Ano ba yung mga bagong game na yan?
Hello, Richard.
Taranan?
Taranan?
Senator.
So,